it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of the 2nd of April through to the 8th of April, and this week I am away for school, so I have quite a bit on. I have some assessments due, I have labs away at school, and I have work on the weekend and lots of things in between. So I do have quite a few things to plan out. I don't want to be too strict in my plans. I want to leave wiggle room because I know things could very likely change. So we'll see how we go. And I'm also using one of these for the first time. This is a sticker kit from one of the GP Studio subscription boxes. So it is like a mini style kit. So it does have 7 of these sort of quarter size sheets. So I am in a TN. I'm not in a bigger enchondron or anything. So I feel like I could do a nice spread with these. It might be a little bit more white spacey than I'm used to, but I do enjoy white space in my planner at the moment, so I don't see any problem with that. So this is from the November box, and it's just very sort of pale purples and subdued colors, which is really good for going into autumn, which I am now. And that's technically autumn. It's only just starting to get cool now. We're getting some cool mornings and some cool evenings, and some pretty deco there. So if I do have a lot of white space, I can always fill it up with some deco, I figure. So let's go ahead and get started. You might have noticed I have a new pen sleeve. This is the medium size pen sleeve from Foxy Fix in the Sugar Mochi leather, and I got it with cream stitching, and I got my initial D embossed in gold. I really love gold on Mochi. I just think it stands out nicely. And I just have my GP Studio pen from the December box, I believe. I love this pen. It's probably my favorite. I have changed out the ink, but I really like the pen, and a Artline fine liner in there, which is my other kind of favorite. Really enjoying this at the moment, and it matches the moonlit really beautifully. In there, which is my other kind of favorite. Really enjoying this at the moment, and it matches the moonlit really beautifully.